It is important to find a reputable and licensed commercial appliance repair company. By working with our nearby food service appliance repair company, the specialist will ensure that your commercial appliances are working well and to the expected standards. Every brand and model has its own specific problems and solutions. If you go to a car mechanic to get your car fixed, he'll need to know the exact make and model of your car to find the right repair parts. Appliances are no different. We repair most major brands, makes and models. From reach-in refrigerators and freezers to merchandising, prep, bar refrigeration coolers and chillers to refrigerated display cases. We've got you covered. Our technicians are appliance repair experts who you can trust for repairs on top commercial refrigerator brands like Arctic Air, Kelvinator, Saba, Vortex, Kitma, and more. Our goal is to provide quality repairs to help you extend the useful life of your commercial refrigeration appliances. We can fix it. So give us a call today to schedule your repair.